Good day, ma'am and classmates. Today we are going to show you some examples of separating mixtures, and it's called physical manipulation. This is one of the examples of physical manipulation. Trixie, it is your turn to speak. What is physical manipulation?
Physical manipulation is a technique used in separating the solid components of a heterogeneous mixture. The components of a mixture are big enough to be seen and picked up by hands, spoon, or forceps. Salvador, can you please give an example of physical manipulation?
What examples are Nova chip which can be picked up by our hands? This is an example of physical manipulation because you can pick the chips and put them in your mouth. Chips are solid materials, so you can just pick it up. Danica, give more example of things that we can use physical manipulation.
Gummies, candy, clothes, pika, and more can be picked. As you can see, not only foods can be picked up by hands, it can be clothes or things that can be used in our everyday lives. Raymond will show another way of physical manipulation.
Here's an example of physical manipulation. This is physical manipulation because they can be picked by our hand.
Thank you for watching our video. That is physical manipulation explained by Solution Squad.
Good day, ma'am and teachers. Good day, ma'am.
Busy siya eh.
Huy! Good day. Cut ko na lang.
Gummies, candies, clothes, pick up. Gummies, candies, clothes, pick up.